This is Cosmic Vibes, a podcast about the most astonishing phenomena in the universe. Today we're talking about Mars, a planet that continues to amaze us even after billions of years. We've all heard of the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. But if you haven't yet realized just how massive it is, prepare to be shocked. Imagine this. The height of Olympus Mons is between 22 and 26 kilometers. For comparison, that's 2.5 to 3 times higher than Mount Everest. But that's not all. This volcano is not only gigantic in height, but also in size. If you placed Olympus Mons over the United States, it would cover the entire state of Arizona. And if you moved it to Europe, it would overshadow almost all of Italy. This is not just a volcano, but a true giant among mountainous formations. But how do scientists measure its height, you ask? It's not as simple as it seems. On Mars, there's no sea level like on Earth, so height is measured relative to the planet's average surface level. To do this, modern orbital satellites, like the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, are used. Equipped with laser and radar instruments, these satellites create 3D maps of the surface and help precisely calculate the volcano's height, taking into account its complex terrain. I bet you're shocked by the sheer scale of Olympus Mons, but do you know why it's so massive? It's all because Mars works a little differently. First, there are no tectonic plates here like on Earth, so magma erupted in one spot for millions of years, and the volcano just kept growing. Second, gravity on Mars is weaker, 2.6 times less than on Earth. So such giants don't collapse under their own weight. Plus, Mars's crust is much thicker than ours, which helps the volcano stay intact. And of course, Olympus was active for a whole 2 billion years, which is why it became such a giant. People have gotten used to thinking of it as a lifeless volcano. After all, it formed billions of years ago, and there's no evidence of recent eruptions on Mars. But recent research is making scientists think that Olympus Mons might still be active in the future. The lack of erosion, which is typical for older volcanoes, in the presence of cracks that could indicate tectonic activity or magma movement, suggests that the volcano might have been active recently and could wake up again in the future. This leaves room for theories about possible eruptions, making Olympus even more mysterious and fascinating for research. If you like this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Cosmic Vibes.